Okay, well, I built something that I've been wanting to build ever since I started working with pulse motors, and that's a window motor, a real window motor. This is a John Bedini Ron Cole design. It has nothing to do with me. DadHav, or John on YouTube here, has coached me on a little bit on how to build one of these, and I've just taken as much knowledge as I have gained and put it all together and come up with this little window motor design. This is basically a copy machine motor, gutted, and I'm just using the rotor part of it and the bearing. And on that steel rotor are 6 neodymium magnets, north-south, etc., that run inside that coil of wire. And it's different than an SSG Bedini, and the circuit is vastly different. And this is a 100% John Bedini Ron Cole design. There's the date, way back in 1987. You can find this at John Bedini's website. He has it posted there. And I made a few small modifications, but basically it's the same circuit that he has posted at his website. And fascinating design, and they call it a window motor. Now, you can't even hardly see this running, and it doesn't make much noise, but here's Maggie, my little induction coil. I'll put Maggie up near that rotating rotor, and you can see her eyes come on. And she's an induction coil that, as those rotating magnets spin around near her coil, she induces a voltage and makes her eyes light up. And this is all running off of one AA battery here. And it's inside that cell phone charger, that emergency charger that bounces the voltage up to 5.5 volts to run the window motor, the little pulse window motor. Now you can also run this off of 4 AA's in series, or one of these solar cell phone chargers works real good too, or any 6 to 12 volt battery source. It takes that much to run this. That's just my design. John has some real neat little motors that run way down there in the couple of volts and way down in the low amp draw. Mine's running about 25 milliamps, 25 to 30 milliamps. And it's, I'll stop it here and show you how it looks. What it is, it's just got some neodymium magnets stuck on that steel rim of that wheel there. And as that rotates around, that triggers a trigger coil, and then there's a drive coil in there too, and what they call bifilar. The trigger coil tells the circuit to turn on the power coil, and off it goes. And that little LED right there shows me if it's running or not. There it goes. Doesn't make much noise. The design is kind of bizarre because it runs inside these coils, and it's not like a Bedini SSG. There's a different characteristic to it. It has a rotating field around the coil of wire that I find very interesting. I was reading up a little bit about how that works, and some of the guys put a coil around the rotor this way also, so they have like a cage on it. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with people. That's what I've been doing, is working on the window motor. And Maggie gives it a thumbs up. She's the final say-so on this. Thanks for watching.